Hello everyone, welcome back to Rebikit Foods, a channel of recipes. So guys, this channel is all about African traditional foods. And we do also travel and events and some breakfast idea. So guys, today I've just thought of just making this type of rice. I've made quite a number of types of rice here. And today I just want to make a simple coconut rice. If you want to enjoy your coconut rice, try this Ready Kit style. So keep tuned and let's get to this. Three quarter, it's not really 1 kg, but it's three-quarter of basmati sunrise rice here. And I have salt, I have coconut milk that I'm going to use this to make coconut. And then I love the aroma of this onion powder. So this onion powder makes rice taste so nice. So guys, if at all you want to enjoy taking a rice, please try out this. So keep tuned and let's move. It cooks well, it's tasty, but its measurement is quite different with the others. Like the ratio is normally 2 to 1. But for this kind of rice, it will not go for 2 for 1. That is, if we use, like now the rice is full of this jug full, you use 2 water for this. So in this case, you are going to use 1.5 and not 2. So I begin by washing my okay. I would wash my rice, and when you're washing this rice, make sure you wash it until the last water is completely clear and not whitish. So I've lit my pan. I've just placed my pan for rice. So I've washed my rice. So I'm going to start cooking. So guys, when you want to make a very, very delicious coconut rice, you will have to boil it using coconut milk. And that's why I told you I'm using this ingredient of coconut milk. So keep tuned. So after that, now you can go ahead and add some water. So keep tuned. Guys, the coconut milk was 400 ml, and I'm supposed to use 1.5, yeah, 1.5 ml. So the rest I will add in water. Then I'll cover it and let it boil. So what I'm going to do next is just to add some salt. So you will add salt to taste, and something which is not a must but optional, but for me it goes well with me and I've asked you to try, is onion powder. Onion powder will make this rice taste. Oh, wow, keep tuned. And now I'm going to add in my rice. So I will cover it and let it cook. My rice is done, guys. Look at my rice. It is done. It's ready. So I'm just going to serve it. So keep tuned. Guys, my coconut rice is done. And you can see you can look at my rice. My coconut rice is so nice. Hmm. So guys, if you want to enjoy taking your rice, please try it out in coconut. And I'm going to serve it with some stew, so stay tuned. So I'll serve it with some juicy wings here. Mm. Oh, 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 oh. So guys, please try out this video. Give my video a like, share as much as you can, and comment. Try it out. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Let's meet on another video. Welcome.